appropriate to
I'll do.
ask Mr. Harrismore how he pleads.
I guess to make everything really careful, we acknowledge receipt of the omitted information, and the indicated pleas will be guilty.
And do you waive formal reading as well?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Harrismore, would you please stand? Sir, by entering a guilty plea to both of these cases, you're giving up these constitutional rights. You're giving up your right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury in this county. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're giving up your right to remain silent and your right to refuse to testify against yourself. Do you understand?
Yes.
At trial, you could testify if you wanted to do so. You could cross-examine witnesses who testify against you, and you could bring in witnesses to testify for you at no expense to you. Do you understand you're giving these rights up?
Yes.
Are you aware that because these are felonies that you may not own, possess, or have under your control any firearm, and
yes.
that you may not have a concealed pistol license?
Yes, I do.
Are you also aware that I do not have to follow anyone's recommendation as to sentencing?
Yes.
You have no, I don't know if you have a statement. My copy, the courtesy copy, has no statement that he's made.
As to the factual basis
Yes.
for these offenses, it's my understanding that the defense and Mr. Harris Moore, have indicated that the court can review the probable cause affidavits and make the findings based on those.
That's correct.
All right.
You
thank
probably
you.
have already done that, I would assume.
I have done that. I've read all of the materials that have been submitted and filed. I do find that the defendant's guilty plea is knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that he understands the charge and the consequence of the plea. I also find that there is a factual basis based upon the documents that have been filed. I find you guilty as charged. You may have a seat.